Hello everyone. Today Ab episode of class 10th is going to present my chemistry activity in front of you. My chemistry activity's topic is acid base coloring indicators. So now we are going to make homemade acid base indicators with the help of turmeric, rose and China rose or hibiscus. Things that we require to make homemade acid base indicators are turmeric, rose flowers, China rose flowers, water, paper. We need to take 2 paper strips, scissor and brush. I have taken brush here to apply my turmeric paste on the paper. You can take any other thing or simply use your hands for applying turmeric paste on the paper. So now we are going to make our turmeric paste or turmeric paper. So how to make turmeric paper? Firstly, we need to pour some water in the turmeric. Make a paste. We need to make a thick paste, thick diluted paste. No lumps should be there in the paste. So now you can see that my turmeric paste is ready. So I am going to apply this turmeric paste on this paper. It is thick and diluted and no lumps are there. So now make the turmeric paper. Let's make the turmeric paper. So now our turmeric paper is ready. We have applied the turmeric paste on the paper on both the sides. Now let us keep this paper in the sunlight for some time so that it dry up and becomes harder. So now let's make blue litmus paper with the help of roses and China roses. To make blue litmus paper, we need to take the petal of these flowers and we are going to rub those petals on the sheets. So you can see they are producing a bluish purplish like liquid on the paper. So we just need those. We are applying it on the paper. Like this. So now we have made our blue litmus paper and now let's keep it in the sunlight so that it dries up and becomes harder. Now both of our turmeric paper and blue litmus paper are dried up, so now let's cut them into strips. Now we have the strips of homemade turmeric paper and blue litmus paper. So now let's test them. So I have taken here hand wash, Eno, lemon, vinegar and the Savlon diluted solution along with water. We have lemon here, We have ENO here, so I'm going to put some water in it to make this liquid diluted. You can see, and we have the Savlon solution. So now let's test them. As you know that turmeric paper turns red in bases and blue litmus paper turns red in acids. So now let's test them. So it's a base solution. Let's test the turmeric paper first. Now you can see the turmeric paper has turned red because it was dipped in a base solution. So now let's check the turmeric paper for this ENO solution, whether it is base or an acid. Now you can see that the turmeric paper has also turned red as it was dipped in a base solution. Now let's test for the lemon juice. As you know that we have made this blue litmus paper at home, so this blue litmus paper is not actually blue, it's purple in color. So you know that in acids blue litmus paper turned red. If it was blue litmus paper, it would have turned red, but it was purple paper, so in acids it will turn pinkish. So now let's test them. As you can see, the litmus paper has actually turned pinkish. It means that lemon juice contains acid. So now let's test for the vinegar. In vinegar also the blue litmus paper turns pinkish. Even it turns more pinkish than the lemon juice. It means that the vinegar also contains acid. Now let's test the blue litmus paper for the diluted Savlon solution. You can see here the blue litmus paper doesn't change its color, means that the Savlon solution do not actually contain acid. So now let's check for water. We know that water is actually neutral. So let's check it. If water would be a base, turmeric paper would turn red. But the turmeric paper wouldn't turn red. It means that water is not base. We know that the blue litmus paper turns red in acids. But the blue litmus paper doesn't change its color. It means that water is not acidic in nature. It means that the water is neutral. I hope you liked my video, you found my video useful, and thank you for watching.